King cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. King cobras measure an average of 11 to 13 feet long. They live in southern China, India, and southeastern Asia. Their habitat includes streams, forests, bamboo thickets, and swamps. This snake is a carnivore eating other snakes, birds, and lizards. King cobras live about 20 years in the wild. King cobra FAQs, frequently asked questions. Are king cobras considered intelligent? Yes, king cobras are generally considered to be the most intelligent species of snakes. Among factors that lead to this perception of intelligence is that appear to recognize their handlers, approach hunting of different prey with new strategies, and they build large nests that no other snake species builds. What snakes other than king cobras eat other snakes? Other than king cobras, a number of snakes will eat other snakes. Some examples include king snakes, king brown snakes, banded kraits, and eastern indigo snakes. How long is a king cobra? King cobras can be 12 to 18 feet long. Males are usually a little bit bigger than females. What are the differences between an Indian and king cobra? When comparing king cobra vs Indian cobra, the main differences are size and venom potency. King cobras are generally twice the length of Indian cobras, but Indian cobras kill substantially more people every year. How does a king cobra compare to a black mamba? When comparing a king cobra vs a black mamba, the two snakes live on different continents, with black mambas in Africa while king cobras live in Asia. King cobras are also larger and have a more prominent hood. King cobra vs cobra, who wins the fight? King cobras eat other snakes including cobras, so the king cobra would win in a struggle with practically any other type of cobra. How deadly is a king cobra? The venom of a king cobra is not particularly strong, but this snake releases a large amount of it. A venomous bite, as opposed to a dry bite with no venom, can kill an elephant or 20 humans. As a note, a dry bite is also dangerous because the snake's fangs are so sharp they could cause serious injury. Can you survive a king cobra bite? Yes. There's an anti-venom that can counteract the venom of a king cobra. The venom of the snake can kill in 30 to 45 minutes from the time of the bite. So, it's important to get the person to a medical professional as soon as possible. What is the difference between a cobra and a king cobra? It may seem like the king cobra and other cobras should be lumped into the same group. But there are some differences. For one, the king cobra belongs to its own genus. A king cobra's genus is known as Ophiophagus, while the Chinese cobra, forest cobra, and many others are categorized under the genus Naja. Another difference is the king cobra's head is larger than that of other cobras and its hood is more narrow. They also have two especially large scales on the back of their head that other cobras don't have. These special scales are called occipitals. Many cobras are venomous. The spitting cobra lives up to its name by spitting venom at anything threatening it. Egyptian cobras are venomous as well, releasing a poison that targets a predator's nervous system. However, the king cobra claims the title as the longest venomous snake in the group. Are king cobras herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? King cobras are carnivores, meaning they eat other animals. What kingdom do king cobras belong to? King cobras belong to the kingdom Animalia. How do king cobras have babies? King cobras lay eggs. What's the difference between a king cobra and a rattlesnake? There are many differences between a king cobra and a rattlesnake, including their habitats. King cobras have a distinct hood that they use to ward off predators, while rattlesnakes use a rattle. What's the difference between a king cobra and a Gabon viper? One difference between Gabon vipers and king cobras is that Gabon vipers are much shorter and heavier bodied than king cobras. Further, Gabon vipers live in select parts of Africa, whereas king cobras are native to India and Southeast Asia. One more key difference is their coloring. King cobras are solid colored, while Gabon vipers have complex patterns to help them blend in with their surroundings. What are the differences between a cobra and a viper? The differences between a cobra and a viper are size, location, habitat, appearance, behavior, and lifespan. Why is the king cobra's bite so dangerous? The king cobra bite is so dangerous because of the large amount of venom contained in a single bite. Read all about king cobra bites here. What's the difference between king cobras and pythons? King cobras and pythons both live in Asia, but pythons kill with constriction while king cobras kill with venom. The average python also outgrows the average king cobra, but typically in weight rather than length. What's the difference between king cobras and cobras? King cobras belong to a different genus compared to cobras, and most cobras don't grow as large as the king cobra. Plus, king cobras eat other snakes, while many other cobra species don't do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to know your own view.